Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. So today's video is basically showing you guys how to clean up your parts. I usually take a metal rat tail comb, or you could do any rat tail comb, but I prefer the metal rat tail comb. I like to go in and clean up every individual part. I'm talking about every part, you guys, not just the front. I also do the back as well. I use Shine and Jam, the orange container, and I put it all the way throughout the hair on both sides of the stitches and also on top of the braid. And I go through very slowly and push all of those excess strings and extra hair out of the way and basically tuck it up under the hair on the left side or either the right side. I push the comb under to tuck the hair. Push the comb backwards and tuck. You see how clean these parts up? These parts are. They're slowly opening up. Whenever you're doing stitches, a lot of times you grab hair that you don't really want to have. So this is the perfect way to push the hair out the way to clean it up.